what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna review a anti-social social club t-shirt, a brand that is famous on the streetwear industry. So here I got the black one with white letters, just a standard one, most popular one. May have a little bit of wrinkles, but just fine. So I have worn these a couple times now and washed it for a couple times now, and it seems just fine. You know, letters are fine, there's no sign of discoloration, so far so good. Here's the inside of the t-shirt. Alright, so I'm 6'1" tall, that's my height, and my weight is around 195 pounds, and this is an M size US, and so I really like this fit. It's comfortable for me. I know some people like that baggy look, so if you like that look, just go for the large or XL. And for quality, to be honest, it's not the best. Feels just cheap, but you know, that's the power of branding, so just for the brand people buy it. Well, this t-shirt cost about 35 to 45 USD dollars at the official page of antisocialsocialclub.com. But the bad thing about buying in retail price at the official page is that there's a lot of customers complaining about getting their shipment in 1 to 2 months. That's ridiculous. So I rather spend a little bit more on resale price and get the shipment in 5 days. So I got this t-shirt from kbsin.com. I'll leave the link in the description. They have a lot of clothing, hypebeast clothing and streetwear clothing. So I got this one for $75 with the shipment and got it like in 3 days. So I'd rather spend a little bit in resale price and get it early. Hey, if you watch all the video, you are really cool. Thank you so much. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Make sure to like the video, and if you like this content about streetwear, hypebeast, fashion, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.